Hello guys, there are new props in Brookhaven this year. First, we have chair. You want another chair here? If you want another chair here, just put it here. Wherever you want here. Also, you can sit on it. Right? See it? Guys, you can sit on it. Sit on this, 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 and this. Couch and this. Another sofa. And the next one is this. Some shelf. If you want to put it here, then done this, then this, then this, then done. Then this one, the dining area. If you want to put it in the garden for your customers here, this this 4 table for this one also, and this. The next one is this bed. There's bed, hospital bed. There's hospitals, and bed. Now next, the gym area. The gym is this one, this. Next one, this lights. First lights. Let's go. Let's go. Let's dance. Let's dance. Okay, so now starting. Next one is then nope. Then this tall light. Then that's it. Last two. If you don't have a okay. Next one. Don't have anything in your house. Just put these on. See, I don't know what's happening. So next one is this one, this big one, and this satellite. Guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Bye bye.